I am Larice. I am Larice. I am Larice. I am Larice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I am Larice. Today we are at Letchworth Farm in Letchworth, New York. It's a beautiful farm and a beautiful day.
Hey guys, I'm Molly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below.
Take a picture for us?
Sure. Sure.
We don't have our selfie stick.
Okay, no problem. You're gonna do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay, she's gonna do it.
We don't have them because I don't think I own one.
Oh, okay. Okay. It, guys, is a beautiful bed and breakfast. We stay in Litchford, New York. I'm gonna just show you around. It's also a horse farm, and I'm definitely coming back here in the summer months and do some horse riding and check it out. It's really cold, but it's really worth being over here. You can see some of the horses over there. Gorgeous, this property. So if you come here, you have the option of staying. You have the option, I'm being nosy, of staying in the in those cabins. You can stay in the cabins, beautiful, or you could stay in the main house, which is where we stayed. We stayed in the main house, and they have so much to offer year round. In the summer months, it's the best month because there's a lake close by you can go swimming, beautiful, and you can do horseback riding, except it's too cold today for that. I think when we checked it was 18 degree. And look at the mountain, that's gorgeous. So, and it's not expensive to stay here, totally worth it. And the breakfast, the English breakfast, was amazing. I'm going to show a picture at the end of this vlog of their breakfast that we have this morning. It is so beautiful, and there's so much to do in this area. Hi. There is so much to do in this area because there's ski close by, and the Letchworth Farm, not farm, we're on the Letchworth Farm. The Letchworth Park is considered the Grand Canyon of the East. It is beautiful. We're heading over there later. So now I'm just gonna take you around to show you the lobby and the breakfast area. So as you walk up, see, can imagine on a nice cool spring, fall, summer day, you can sit out here. They have a nice little guest book. They have Wi-Fi, which was very good because my phone service doesn't work here. It didn't work, and I was very glad to see. And last night I actually sit here and enjoy a cup of tea. That was very nice. I love this setting. I love the area. This is gorgeous, guys. This is gorgeous. This is me. Very laid back, very comfortable, very relaxing. It was very quiet too. Last night was so quiet. And for the horse lovers, yeah, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. So just so we got a little bar area right there, and they have their little breakfast area. So they got complimentary teas, all different kind of English tea. I enjoyed some Earl Grey last night, some decaf, and they got little snacks when you come in. And we had breakfast here this morning, and so we had breakfast here, guys, and that was our view. That was the view from breakfast this morning. Gorgeous. If you're ever in this area, you should check this place out. You don't have to be a guest, and then the bedrooms are up this area. So let's see. It's a cute bedroom. I'm going to show you. Maybe I should have shown this to you before we make a mess, but it's so cute. Look, so this is where I sleep. It is so cute. Look at this. And it have that little sweet farm. And remember that view I told you I wake up to this morning? That was the view. And I did purposely leave the shade up, so when I wake up in the morning, I could take a look directly outside. And that was the view, guys. And I love that they have the little horse everywhere. Good thing we come back up, because I need to turn this fan off. I don't like to. Oh, look. Hi, you guys. Hola. So that's the room, and the bathroom is this. Look, it's me again. All right, it's me again. Hi. I like this. And the tub was good. This is the only part of the place to me that's not true to its time. It's this tub. It's gorgeous, but I just feel like an old-fashioned tub would do a lot more justice, because everything is so old-fashioned. And I love that there are plenty of windows for natural light. Gorgeous. So yeah, so that's it. See if I can make my way down. And I want to show you guys a little more outside, just to, so I'm going to come back in here and make some tea because it's cold. And I'm going to the park to see the waterfalls. There's 3 waterfalls, and I'm trying to hit all 3 of them today. And it's 18 degrees outside, so definitely want to make sure, take this mask off, definitely want to make sure that I am warm for it. Look at this, you guys. We have chickens. Is this where our eggs came from this morning? Yes? Oh my God. So our breakfast, and I'm going to insert a picture at the end of this video. This is where our eggs came from this morning. I don't get more natural than that. Really don't. This is really, really nice. I love that they're just so free walking around. Guys, I'm freezing. Why didn't I put my jacket on? I don't know. But it's so pretty. See that? It's gorgeous. So I'm definitely coming here in the summer. Definitely coming back here in the summer. She's following. Molly's following the chickens around, trying to get some good shots. You're running them. You're chasing them away. I'm sorry? Oh. Oh, they're going home. They're going home. I didn't see their home is there. Wait, let's go take a look at their home. And I'm still trying to keep my distance, because I don't like to interrupt the animals, you know. So yeah, look at them. They're home. They're going home little by little. Oh my God. Okay. Rise and shine, it says. Free range fresh eggs. Leave the chickens alone, okay? Leave them alone. Let them. Oh, and in the summer, I guess you can sit out here. So beautiful. I can't stop saying that. So you guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.